Yo, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lasagna. Yes, lasagna. So let's talk about what's important when it comes to lasagna. So first is the tomato sauce, then the bechamel, and then the pasta. Let's talk about the tomato sauce first. You need a good tomato. Of course, that makes sense. So I usually buy a can of whole tomato, not chopped up, because whole tomatoes give better tomato taste and it's more meatier than the cut tomatoes. And then also I add aubergines because I love aubergines and gives like a really good texture and taste to the sauce. I mean, you could add other like vegetables as well, like spinach, courgette, and like carrots. And then importantly, I put beef stock, or like this is dashida, things you get in Japan, or it's Korean.
Are you Korean? No.
But like it's like Korean version of beef stock, I suppose. I like to give it a nice kick to the tomato sauce, so I put some chilies. Not too much, because if I put too much, I'll die and then sweat. I know. And then of course, most importantly, minced beef. And I put other stuff as well, but I'll show you that when I'm cooking. So let's start by making the tomato sauce. For this you will need the ingredients listed. Wash the onions. Wetting the skins makes it easier to peel off the skins as it won't be too dry. Cut off both ends but not too much, making sure it's all stuck together, and peel the skins. Cut the onions in halves and continue cutting it into small dices. Cut and discard the end of the garlic and crush it with a knife, then mince it up. Now slice the aubergines into about 2 to 3 mm thickness. For the chilies, it's all up to preference, but I'll be using 2 this time. Cut one end of the chilies and take out the seeds. We don't need these. Make sure to cut the chilies, otherwise someone will be in for a surprise. Add plenty of olive oil to a large saucepan, as we will be cooking plenty of stuff. The onions in a large saucepan with a bit of salt to help the onions sweat. Add in the garlic, chilies, and some Italian mixed herbs. Once that's slightly cooked and fragrant, add in the minced beef. Make sure to season with just pepper and no salt. Now for the secret red wine. Now open the canned tomato, but don't do what I did and break the goddamn thing. This was the moment he knew he fucked up. If that happens, just use a table knife. Do not and not waste that tomato. Wash it with a little bit of water and add that goodness to the sauce. Now you can add the beef stock. This will replace the salt. If you're using broths, it might be best to dissolve it with hot water first. Make sure to taste it. Add some sugar to balance out the flavors and bring out more of the umami. Cook for about 1 hour, longer the better really. While we wait, let's cook the aubergines in plenty of oil. The aubergines will soak up the oil, so do add plenty. Flip and cook both sides. The next is the bechamel sauce. Like you can make it normal bechamel sauce, but like I like to add cheese to it because like gives extra umami flavors and like it just like gives really good texture to the sauce as well and a nice finish, you know. I mean, it's, you know, cheese. Everyone loves cheese. You can't beat that, you know. Like why not add extra cheese to the sauce? Melt the butter in a small saucepan, then add roughly equal amounts of flour, then combine well. Add small amounts of milk and then mix it into a paste. Cook until the mixture stops sticking to the pan. This will ensure to cook the flour. Gradually add the milk little by little to prevent lumps. We can make it loose as we will add cheese and that will add viscosity. Add cheese little by little and then season with salt. Okay, it looks like all the layers are complete. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees while we layer the lasagna. Lay the tomato sauce, pasta seeds, bechamel, then the aubergine, and then repeat. Finish the top layer with bechamel and then cheese.
Minutes later.
So we finished cooking the lasagna, so let's check it out. Look how good it looks. So let's try this lasagna out. Look at it. It's so amazing. So good. Yeah, as I thought. Has a nice sweet kick to it, like from the chili. Not too spicy, which is really good, you know. It's quite refreshing too. It's not too salty, it's nicely balanced. Who made this lasagna? It's amazing. Oh, it's me. I could sleep in this in my dreams. Oh, that was close. I'm gonna go and finish this lasagna now, so thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.